We are looking straight into the eye of what might be one of the best marketing cycles for us in our lifetime. Are you ready for it? We want to share with you some of the most common and useful creative financing tools. They'll help you build your real estate portfolio faster, more consistently, and with a better long-term result. The WREN Real Estate Financing Toolbox is creative financing defined. You'll have access to 5 60-minute webinar-style modules covering lease options, wraparounds, seller carryback, and collateral property, all of your creative financing tools. Learn from real case studies and real investors who are buying houses in today's market. Download forms, diagrams, and examples that will explain exactly when and how the tools are used and how to profit from them. Learn from other women just like you that are making their financial dreams come true. We want to share with you 4 of the most common and useful creative financing tools. They'll help you build your real estate portfolio faster, more consistency, and with better long-term result. Purchase now by clicking the link below.